Okay, we're gonna replace the broken factory stereo head unit in this, CD player head unit in this. It barely, it'll light up, but the clock, I can't get it to reset and the radio doesn't come on. So we're going to replace it today in a 2007 2500 HD Classic Chevrolet Silverado. Okay, you want to pull steering wheel all the way down, pull the gear selector all the way down, pull on the bezel around the whole gauge cluster and dash gently without breaking it. Just pull it up out of the way. And then now that it's up out of the way, it's I can get to the bolts to pull the head unit and do the soldering and all that stuff. So here we go. It's a 7mm. Don't lose the screws. This is a LT or a work truck. This is not a Bose truck factory radio. This is just a regular GM radio, the AC Delco radio. We also have a same truck but with a Bose system in it, and you can't put one of these Pioneer systems in to replace that unit without an adapter for the Bose to adapt. Factory plug out. This head unit is junk. Into the new kit. Came with the dash install kit, pigtail for the truck side, because the radio comes with one from the radio side, and then an extension for the antenna coax, and then this is the insert for the dash. It makes a pocket and a single DIN radio insert. This is the single DIN pocket. Probably don't need anything else other than probably this is the faceplate cover. screws. Going back in, I pulled the wiring harness through. And here's the speaker, the antenna wire. The radio is a Pioneer MP3 USB Bluetooth non-CD unit. I have tons of CDs, of course, but nobody listens to CDs anymore. Everything uses their phones or devices or whatever, so no point in getting a CD player anymore. Books. Here's the microphone, the Bluetooth. Here's the new head unit. Look something like that. So anyway, we've got to take the wiring harness inside and do plug and play on this. I'm going to have to solder all this together. So that will be tomorrow, finish install. So this is just the preliminary dash fit and everything. Looks like it's going to fit fine. Everything's going to work. So I'm going to go into the house or the shop and do all the soldering. Okay, we've got the new pigtail installed, the Pioneer single din installed with the pocket, came in the installation kit, and got the dash put back together. We had to wire one wire. We had to wire one wire over to the fuse box on a keyed circuit. Other than that, all the wiring came with the kit. So let's see if it comes to life. Sure enough, now it's got to go through the programming stages. That's up to my wife and daughter. But there it is. Single din Pioneer install over the broken factory radio. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you guys.